Good morning, students. We are going to continue the same chapter, the early man. So, today I'm going to tell you more about the chapter. So, do you know what is factory site and habitation site, student? So, let me tell you. Factory sites are places where early man was able to find good quality of stones and make his tools and weapons. And what about habitation sites? Habitation sites were natural rock shelters and caves where early men lived for temporary periods. Now, what about factory cum habitation sites, students? So, factory cum habitation sites were places where early men could live as well as work on making his stone tools and weapons, etc. So, students, now I'm going to tell you what are core tools and flake tools. So, a core tool is made from a piece of stone known as the core. A flake tool is made from a small flake which has been chipped off from the core. Now, do you know, students, how fire was discovered? So, let me tell you about discovery of fire. In the later part of Paleolithic age, men learned to light a fire by rubbing two stones together. This improved his way of life. And do you know how it improved the way of life? So, basically, they used fire to keep themselves warm, to cook their meat, to light up their surroundings and making animals scared. So, students, it was a very great discovery. The reason it has changed so many things. They started cooking their meat. Not only this, it was helping them to light up his surroundings, as well as now they could save themselves from wild animals by scaring them with fire. Now I'm going to tell you about Mesolithic age. So, Mesolithic age has started from 10,000 BC and it continued to about 8,000 BC. So, students, Mesolithic age or Middle Stone Age. This period of Stone Age gets its name from two Greek words. Mesos meaning middle and lithos meaning stone. So during this age, man began to make more improved and advanced tools like microliths. Students, do you know what are microliths? So microliths are tiny stone tools, usually about 2 to 3 inches long. They have sharper edges than tools made during the Paleolithic age. Chert and flint were some of the main substances used to make microliths. So, I hope you understood that microliths were sharper than the tools which were made in Paleolithic age. And microliths were used as scrapers, blades, and knives. Now, let me tell you about life during Mesolithic age. Now let me tell you about the life of Mesolithic age. So, do you know how people used to live in that time? So, they were doing hunting, gathering and fishing. These were the main sources of survival even in Mesolithic age. After the discovery of fire, Mesolithic man could cook his food. That was the change. He also learned how to store meat, nuts, and berries for long periods, which was not possible in Paleolithic age. Now, Mesolithic man used bone needles and he used to sew clothes which were made of dried animal skins. Men began to build temporary huts close to river and lakes. man slowly started growing his own fruits and vegetables. He also tried to domesticate sheep and other animals. So, in this period, the life of man was changed, and some changes occurred like discovery of fire, domestication. They have started doing more things, and they have started sewing their own clothes by using animals' skin. So students, now just look at the picture. So as you can see, it is a picture of rock painting which belongs to Mesolithic age. The figures in the painting are smaller than the painting which was found in Paleolithic age. Students, Mesolithic man was more advanced than Paleolithic man. So, we will continue this chapter in next video. Have a great day, students. Bye bye. Take care.